Get the latest D-CIS-FN-23 real questions to best prepare for your test. 1. What is the goal of lean practices in a software development methodology? A. Create quality software with the minimum number of team members. B. Create quality software in the shortest time period at the lowest cost. C. Develop software using 12-factor modern application practices. D. Develop and deploy software using third-platform technologies. Answer: B. 2. How is the fulfillment process of a service request implemented in a cloud environment? A. Cloud administrator manually handles service requests. B. Element manager collects service requests directly from the catalog. C. Workflows defined in the orchestrator direct the process. D. Orchestrator allocates the same amount of resources to all service requests. Answer: C. 3. What workflow software enables automation of complex IT tasks? A. VMware vRealize Orchestrator. B. Dell EMC Extremio. C. VMware HA. D. Dell EMC Scale IO. Answer: A. 4. A cloud provider installs a virtual firewall on a hypervisor to reduce the scope of a security breach when there is already a network-based firewall deployed in the cloud environment. Which strategy did the cloud provider use to mitigate the risk of security threats? A. Trusted computing base. B. Defense in depth. C. Information assurance framework. D. Adaptive security. Answer: B. 5. Which component of the cloud reference architecture provides automated policy-driven management and delivery of heterogeneous resources? A. Software-defined infrastructure. B. Orchestration. C. Business continuity. D. Cloud service. Answer: A. 6. What is a possible cause for incurring high capital expenditures for IT, even though resources may remain underutilized for a majority of the time in a traditional data center? A. IT resources are provisioned on demand. B. IT resources are provisioned as self-service. C. IT resources are configured for peak usage. D. IT resources are rented as services. Answer: C. 7. Which phase of the cloud service lifecycle involves ongoing management activities to maintain cloud infrastructure and deployed services? A. Service creation. B. Service operation. C. Service planning. D. Service termination. Answer: B. 8. A cloud service brokerage combines cloud services provided by multiple cloud service providers into one or more new services. The specific number of services they combine varies based on user logic. Which type of cloud service brokerage is it? A. Integration. B. Aggregation. C. Intermediation. D. Arbitrage. Answer: D. 9. Which type of zoning prevents unauthorized access? even when node ports are re-cabled to a different fabric port on a fiber channel switch. A. AUE-based. B. WWPN-based. C. Port-based. D. Mixed. Answer. B. 10. How can cloud administrators benefit from alerting? A. Gathering historical information on resource usage. B. Enabling service desk operation for service support. C. Responding proactively to service-related issues. D. Checking validity of the configuration management system. Answer. C.